Thank you very much, Saurabh, for sharing your very valuable insights with us. Now, moving on to our second segment for today, capturing opportunity. Digital exchanges, digital assets, digital as part of your investment portfolio. Our first speaker is Mr. Daryl Ho, Senior Investment Strategist at the Chief Investment Office, DBS Bank. A little bit about Daryl. Now, he has a decade of experience in the areas of banking and investments and covers fixed income strategy for the bank. He previously served as a fixed income portfolio manager, managing a range of strategies such as absolute return, benchmarked portfolios, and asset liability management with institutional buy-side firms. Daryl, over to you. Head of Business and Listing at DBS Digital Exchange. Now, Daniel brings with him extensive experience in servicing intermediaries, digital exchanges, high-frequency traders, and market makers in the electronic trading space. He was also responsible for the bank's ETF business. Daniel, thank you very much, Lionel, for dialing in and chatting with us and sharing your insights. And that was Mr. Lionel Ching, Executive Director of Capital Markets for ASEAN, excluding Singapore, at DBS Bank. And now we have a short Q&A session. Now, remember, if you have any questions, just post them using the app Pigeonhole Live. We want to hear from you. Now, this Q&A session will be moderated by Daryl, and he's joined by Daniel and Lionel. Daniel and Lionel, we do wish we had more time, but if you're interested in having a deeper discussion on the topics discussed, please scan this QR code to leave us your details, and a representative from DBS or EY will be in touch with you. Now, on to our third segment for today, which will focus on digital opportunities in ASEAN. We're happy to be joined by Mr. Desmond Teo, tax leader and partner of EY. A bit about Desmond. Now, as one of the pioneering tax advisors for funds and family offices in Singapore, Desmond Teo has extensive experience helping clients with end-to-end solutions for their business structures and operations. Desmond, please take it away. Now, moving on, we have a very interesting panel discussion on a seamless integration, leveraging wealth planning vehicles. Now, one of our speakers, unfortunately, is not available today, so we've arranged for a pre-recording of the segment. Joining Desmond, we have Mr. Lee Woon Shui, Group Head Wealth Planning, Family Office, and Insurance Solutions at DBS Private Bank. Now, Woon Shui is responsible for driving the expansion of the bank's wealth planning, family office, and insurance offerings, and providing holistic solutions and advisory for high net worth clients. Please enjoy this pre-recorded session. Thank you very much, Desmond, for being here with us today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you have gained some valuable insights today. And of course, if you're interested to take this discussion further, or if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to your relationship manager or scan the QR code here. Now, before you leave, we really would be so grateful if you could spare a minute or two to complete an event feedback survey via Pigeonhole, which is located on the right-hand side of the screen. This is going to be extremely useful for us when planning future events, and we would love to hear from you. Valued guests, we have come to the end of this webinar. Now, on behalf of DBS, thank you very much for taking the time to be with us here this afternoon. Have a pleasant evening, stay well, and stay safe.